Welcome to N-Scale Friday. I'm John, and today we have two models from Atlas we're going to take a look at, so let's head over to the workbench. Alright, so here's what we're looking at today. These are N-Scale Pullman Standard 2750 hoppers. They have 3 bays. These come from Atlas's Master Series and are listed at $24.95. As always, if you check with your favorite retailer, you'll probably find them for less. I looked on Atlas's website and found 6 different road names with numerous road numbers. Your best bet would be to go to Atlas's website and see if they have what you're looking for. So because we have 2 of these to look at, we're going to look at the first one in some detail, and then we'll kind of skim over the second one. So the first thing I noticed as I was scrutinizing this with my magnifying visor is that the logo up here turned out really nice. As a matter of fact, all of the printing and markings on this car, it's all legible. Even the smallest writing over on this side is legible with magnification. I could even tell that this car has a build date of July of 1957. And that's right here. Look how small that is. We'll take a brief look at the brake end. You can see that the brake wheel is a separately applied part. And it looks like there's a lot of detail back in there. It's kind of hard to see because it's shadowed. But if you look, you can see behind all the ladder rungs and all that, there's some piping and some bracing back in there. I noticed that the writing on this end is also legible. I'm tilting it up so that you can see the detail in the trucks as well as the discharge gates. It's just overall is a very nice looking model. I feel like I should apologize to the A ends out there, because I always refer to them as being boring. What I mean by that, obviously, is that there's no brake wheel detail on an A end. But what this does do, looking at it this way, is give us a chance to see the bracing detail I was talking about a minute ago. It's pretty obvious when you look at this end. There isn't really a whole lot to look at inside, but I wanted to show it to you anyway, just so you can see. I'll take this opportunity as we're looking at the bottom of the model to point out the discharge gate detail, and also take a look over here and you can see that these are body mounted couplers, which is great. I'll do my best to show you the detail with this dark on dark. It's always a challenge, but you can see these are also body mounted couplers. It's a great bonus to have those, because that's something a lot of N-scalers will do. They'll go to great lengths to convert all of their truck mounted couplers to body mounted couplers because it makes operations a lot better. And there's the inside of the Burlington Northern model. Here's a shot of the A end, and here's a shot of the brake end. And if you look at this side of the model, you can see that the printing on this one is also really good. And I did check this stuff inside the COTS block over here, that is not legible. But overall, it's a great look. And I think from normal viewing distances, this is going to look great rolling down the layout. I think this is a very solid release from Atlas. The printing on the sides of the cars and the paint jobs are especially good, and I'm really glad that they have body-mounted couplers. Good job, Atlas. I'll see you next time.